Hey there, good people. I'm Scott, and this is Sword and Shield Studio. Right now, we're going to take a look at the Trim Edit mode in DaVinci Resolve's edit page and see some ways that it could potentially speed up your editing workflow. Let's get into it. Okay, so here I am on the edit page of DaVinci Resolve. I've already preloaded an edited timeline of some drone footage I took to exemplify some of the different uses of the trim tool. So to access the trim edit mode, you hit T on your keyboard, or you can go up here to this icon. You'll see when you hover over it says trim edit mode. And we're in. So one of the more common uses for the trim edit mode is performing a ripple edit. To get to this feature, you simply hover your mouse over either inside edge of the clip you wish to adjust until you get this icon here. Then you just hold left click and drag to adjust that side of the clip, and you'll see you can change its length and the adjacent clips will move along the timeline to accommodate for that. You can make a roll edit by selecting the point where two clips meet until you get this icon here. And then you simply hold left click and drag in either direction. And this will change the point at which one clip transitions to another. The next trim editing tool that we have is the slip edit. Now this is done by selecting the top portion of the clip you wish to adjust, either the top half if you're in simple view or where the thumbnail is if you're in the thumbnail view as I am right now. Simply hold left click over the clip you wish to adjust and drag, and you can see the white outline of the underlying clip is changing position without affecting the adjacent clips. Lastly, we have the slide edit. You can do a slide edit by selecting the bottom portion of a clip where you see this icon. Hold left click and drag the clip in either direction, whichever way you wish to move it. And you can see that this moves the affected clip to the left and right while adjusting the adjacent clips to compensate for that move. This is handy for when you have a clip that you like but want to slightly alter when it cues on your timeline. So just remember, ripple, roll, slip, and slide. Those are the tools you got available for you in the trim edit mode, and each can come in handy in different situations. So as you can see, trim edit mode has a variety of functions available, and each and every one of them can help you make quicker on-the-fly adjustments to your timeline clips. So keep that in mind when you're working on a big project. It might save you a lot of time. Thank you for watching. Take care.